Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Dominion for real. Okay, so in this video I am going to guide you step by step on how to connect your Web3 wallet to your Opal Chain mining app. All right, so this airdrop is similar to Sidra. All right, so as you can see transfer here, you see mining points. Remember, you mine one every 12 hours and you mine two every day. All right, so I think I shared this project in one of my one of the video I made. All right, so connecting your Web3 wallet to this app is one of the criteria for the airdrop. All right, so if you scroll down, you are going to see this is how to connect your Web3 wallet to the Opal Chain, step-by-step guide. So I'm going to guide you step by step on how to do that in this video. So that is why you need to watch this video to the end for the full scope so that you won't miss anything in this video. All right, this project is very powerful project. So this is a multi-chain, is a layer 1 project. All right, I believe they are building their own blockchain, Opal Chain. All right, so that's what they are building. Okay, so for you to connect your Web3 wallet, navigate to this place that says explore. You will see explore here, so click on that explore. When you click on explore, you will see something like this. You see user dashboard. The first thing you're going to see is user dashboard, Opal path, wallet, deep script, KYC, bond, analytics, white paper. So we are going to look into their white paper and see what they have for us. All right, because this white paper will outline their roadmap. So let's click on this white paper. Okay, so we're just going to wait. Click on this, and then this is their white paper. Let me zoom it so that you can see it very well. You can see Q4 2025 growth phase, first bond event, USDT reward distribution, strategic exchange listing. You can see it here. So this is the Q4. So we are looking up to next month, December. Q4 2025 will end on the December of this year, which is next month. So Q3 2026, and beyond, DAO based governance, multi-chain interoperability, 100 million plus transactions. These people are really building something. Okay, they are really building something huge. All right, you can see this is their tokenomics. You can see ecosystem and growth 21%, advertising and influencers 18, team 7, community, mining and reward 53%. You can see it here, 53% here. All right, so they say Opal Chain is a mobile first blockchain ecosystem designed for lightning fast transactions, institutional grade security, and radical transparency. It allows anyone to mine Opal token from smartphone and participate in an innovative burn to earn model. All right, so let's head over to the wallet section. So this is how you connect your wallet. Click on burn. So tap on burn. You will see it here. So what you simply need to do, go and copy your BEP20 wallet address, your BNB address in any decentralized exchange, in any wallet, OKX, MetaMask, Trust Wallet. Copy your BEP20 address, paste it here, then you click on connect wallet. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'll just tap on connect wallet. Then you see here, enter address manually. So I'll go to my OKX wallet. You can see here, make sure you are on Binance Smart Chain BSC network. So let's head over to our OKX wallet and copy the wallet address. Okay, here in the OKX wallet, we're just going to come over to this place and tap on receive. Yeah, tap on receive, and then just going to wait. So after tapping on receive, we are going to come over to this place and search BNB. Tap on this one. Then you come over to this place and copy the address. This is the address. I'll just tap on copy it. Then I will go back to the Opal Chain app. Okay, here in the Opal Chain application, I will just paste that wallet in this place. I'll just click on this one, paste the wallet. Then I will click on save address. This one here, save address is saving. It has successfully saved. And then if you can actually participate in the token bonds. This is my balance. I have not participated in the bond yet. Okay, so that is how you connect your Web3 wallet. Okay, let us try this. Let's say 2. Okay, let me say 2. Okay, let me just say 5. Then I will tap on bond token. I will tap on bond token. Let's see what will happen. Bonding start in Q4 2025. Okay, bonding will start in Q4, so it has not started yet. So we are just connecting our wallet for now. Okay, so that is how you connect your Web3 wallet to your Opal Chain application. All right, make sure you are engaging in this project. Don't relent your effort, please. Keep on claiming, keep on mining. You claim 2 tokens every 24 hours. It's just similar to Sidra chain. All right, thanks for watching. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Turn on that bell notification so that you will be notified whenever I drop a video like this. All right, like, comment, share this video, and drop your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think about this project? Drop it in the comment section and we're going to discuss it together. We are going to make it.